Guys, I just wanted to take a couple minutes to go over problems 3 and 4 from your last assignment, assignment number 7. Mr. Klein went over 1 and 2 and 5, at least how to get those started. And I want to help you get started with numbers 3 and 4 in case you're having trouble with them. The nice thing about both of these is that the terms that you're going to be combining on one side of the equal sign already have common denominators. So we don't have to worry about creating those. Okay, so if you look at number 3, we've got n minus 4 all over n and 1 over n. So since n is a common denominator, we can go ahead and combine these. And the way I'm going to show that here is I'm just going to do this n minus 4, then I'm going to do plus 1, and all of that is going to be over n. Okay? So now we can simplify that. There's nothing to combine our n with, so it's going to stay n. But then we have negative 4 plus 1, which is negative 3. Okay? So now we're at a place that's very similar to what you were doing on the last assignment. So you just end up cross multiplying here. Let me change my color. So if we cross multiply here, we're going to have 1 times n. And then here, we're going to have 2 times n minus 3. Okay? So you distribute when you have a side like this, and then here you can just multiply these two. And then you just go about solving for n. And you should remember how to do that for everything that we've done. I'm sorry if that didn't show up on there. There's a glimpse of everything that I did. Okay? All right, so then number 4, I forgot my eraser too. Let's do this. All right, so then number 4, we've got 3/4 equals x minus 1 all over 4x plus x plus 6 all over 4x. Okay, so again, we've got a common denominator here on the right-hand side of the equal sign. So we can combine these. So just like on the last one, I'm going to keep everything the same to begin with, but I'm going to go ahead and do this plus x plus 6 in the same fraction. So this is all going to be over 4x, if you can see that. Okay. And now we can find like terms and combine them. So if you look here, I have an 1x plus a 1x. So I'm going to go ahead and combine those. I'm sorry, this computer's so wobbly today. So this 3/4 stays the same. 1x plus 1x is 2x. And then we have this minus 1 plus 6. That's going to give us plus 5. And that's all over 4x. Okay. From here, you're going to go ahead and cross multiply and then start solving 4x. Okay. That should help you get through all 5 of these problems that you need to do for this assignment. But if you get stuck and you need more help on any of them, as always, please reach out to me on Canvas. Or if you've signed up for Remind, go ahead and reach out to me on there and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you guys are doing well, and I will talk to you soon.